Hello everyone! For today's vlog, I'm going to share the product that I bought from Amazon. It's a door handle covers 5 set. Washable without fading. Keep your kitchen appliance clean from smudges, drips, food stains, and oil. So, let's open, guys. Ito yung guys. So, I read the reviews of this product and I like it because we have a stainless appliances in the kitchen. So, ang hirap mag-maintain guys ng yung walang bakat ng kamay. So, that's why it get me interested to buy this product. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ayan guys. Ikakabit ko na. So, see you later. Take a look guys. Top of our refrigerator is empty. So, wind down. I love it. Next is our oven and microwave. And this is the oven door. So here is our microwave. This is our dishwasher. The good thing is the door is inside. And then, so, no need of a cover handle. Ayan guys. Ang hirap mag-maintain ng stainless. Yung walang dirt, walang bakat, walang kamay. This is the product that I use for wiping all the stainless here in the kitchen or any appliances na may stainless na part, pwede ko itong gamitin. After, you need to use a paper towel to remove yung mga white na naiwan from the wipes. So, overall, I like this door handle covers. And for sure, my husband loved it also. So, if you have questions or suggestion, please don't forget to comment on my video. And please like and subscribe Starnan's channel. Thank you guys for watching. Love you all. Be safe. Bye!